Hello guys, welcome to the Best Online Tutorials channel. In this video, quickly I will show you how to create a system restore point in Windows 11. So open up your start menu and type in recovery. I'm doing this on my other monitor, there you go. Then as you open it up, as you can see, we have a first tab, that is, no, not the first one. Second one, open system restore, click. Then this window will open up, press next. And then guys, you just need to go ahead and create a new system restore. Actually, it's a third one, my bad. So configure system restore, then choose your C drive, then choose create. This is where we create a new system restore point. Then name it, for example, what do we have today? July 7th. July 7th, restore, and then press on create. And then if you want to restore your system, you can just go ahead and open up your system restore like this. Choose this system restore copy that you've just created, and then you can revert your PC to previous states. That is it. Enjoy guys, and don't forget to like the video.